Welcome class second. Today we will start a new chapter. Chapter 14. Three little words. A, an and the. Which little words? A, an and the. And these are all called articles. What articles? These are called articles. So we will study about where to use a, an or the. Where we should use these three little words. So here a or an. First thing is to learn a and we use with the singular thing, singular noun, singular naming word, means with single thing. Okay, so we use and before a singular naming words beginning with vowel sound. If a word is given and that word is starting with a, e, I, o, u, or that word is having a sound a, e, I, o, u, so we will write an before that word. Okay, we will see examples also. Firstly, learn this only. So next is we use a before naming words that begin with consonant sound. What are consonant? Consonants are letter except these five. Except these five, others are consonant. Okay, so if the word is written and then that word is starting with consonant or that word is having consonant sound, so we will write a before that word. Okay, now next we use the before the naming word when it is repeated, means the girl is going, this is a girl. Okay, the girl is going, this is a girl is a one sentence, and girl we are again repeating, then we will write the girl. And where we have to use the, if it is unique, if there is any unique thing, unique naming word, then we will write the before that naming word. So for this, for better understanding, we will do this exercise. The exercise is look at the picture and write their naming words with a, an and the. So here apple. See apple spelling. It starts with a. Okay, means it starts with vowel sound. So we will write an apple. What? An apple. This is elephant. See the spelling of elephant starts with e and pronunciation is elephant. A in pronunciation elephant. So we will write an elephant. Ear starts with vowel and pronunciation of ear is ear, e pronunciation. So we will write an ear. Boy start with it means consonant, so a boy we will write. Tomato starts with t, tomato. Banana starts with b consonant, a banana. Next, orange starts with o, an orange. Pineapple start with v, p consonant, a pineapple. Mango start with m consonant, a mango. Radish start with r consonant, a radish. Carrot start with c consonant, a carrot. Umbrella start with u vowel, an umbrella. There is one egg only. Okay, because I have told you the rule, a and an we will write with the singular thing. Egg, e start with vowel, an egg. Potato, p start with consonant, a potato. Next, unique thing. Now where we have to write the sun is a unique thing, so we will write the sun. Moon, the moon. The stars, there is no t. Okay, stars. Ramayana, if any unique book is given, so we will write the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, like this. If any monument is there, the Taj Mahal. Okay, so we will write the with the famous monument we will write the, with the famous book we will write the, and with the unique thing we will write the. Now next exercise, do in book from page number 99. If you are ill, you visit a doctor, but if you are very ill, the doctor, because the doctor is repeating here, the doctor might tell you to go to the hospital. Go to a hospital. Then again hospital is repeating. The hospital is a place where people can be looked after by doctor and nurses. These people are called patient. If a patient is serious, okay, an ambulance, a, this is a na, then an ambulance is used. Most patients are given medicine to heal them, but some may need plaster or bandages if they are hurt. If the patient has an illness, patient is repeating here, that's why we have written the patient has an illness which can spread to others, he is kept alone in the separate ward until he is better. So this exercise you will do in book. Next exercise, do in copy. In the vaccine you have to write the name of disease against which you have been vaccinated, which vaccine you have get in your childhood, and so you have to write the name of disease here. Okay, do in copy yourself. Next do in book. An elephant was roaming in the forest. He saw a tiger in pain. Elephant is repeating here. Then write the elephant went near it. It saw that a bone was stuck in its throat. Elephant again. The elephant quickly put its trunk inside the tiger's mouth, because tiger again coming, repeating here, and pull out the bone. Bone is again repeating here. The tiger thanks the elephant for its help. Okay, right here, rewrite the following sentences using a and where necessary. This you will do in copy. Please get me a glass. Firstly, you will write this sentence. Then in answer, please get me a glass of water. I am thirsty. India is a big country. We are proud of our country. It is raining. Why do you buy an umbrella? Okay. In this sentence, after me, you will write a. In this sentence, after is, you will write a. In this sentence, after buy, you will write an umbrella. It takes hour and half to reach my school. It takes an hour and half to reach my school. I have interesting storybook. I bought it last week. I have an interesting story book. So do it in copy. Next exercise you will do yourself in book. Read it, do yourself. Now here you have to add ing, playing, and this you will do in book, no need to do in copy. Playing, simply write ing here. Running, double ning. Dying, d. So here ing. Buying, ing simply. simply add ing. Skipping, double p ing. Next, tearing ing. Traveling, double l ing. Swimming, double m ing. Cancel e or ing. Okay, do in book. Now let's do sound practice. As, mass, fan, shell, can, has, lamb, pat, cat, van. Grass, mass, father, shan, can't, harm, last, past, cast, vast. So complete your work, everyone. Thank you.